This is the login form of the future with 3D quantum effects, holographic toggles, and CSS so advanced it'll break your brain. And today I'm giving you the code for free. What's up, Top Guru 1.1? If you're still using boring login forms, this video will blow your mind. We're building a 2025 ready form with parallax 3D tilt that reacts to mouse movements, quantum particle backgrounds, holographic toggle switches, and the best part, you'll learn it in under 5 minutes. Let's dive in. First, this revolutionary HTML structure. Notice how we use div class quantum field for the particle background and a 3D enabled container with transform style preserve 3D. This is the secret sauce for our effects later. Now, the magic happens in CSS. We're using backdrop filter blur 20px for glassmorphism, clip path for the quantum ripple effect, custom keyframes that make this form feel alive. Pro tip, adjust the glow intensity variable to control how psychedelic it gets. This 10-line JavaScript is what makes the form tilt like a hologram. It tracks mouse position with ePageX and transforms the container in 3D space. Want it to feel heavier? Just tweak the divisor here. Boom! You've just built what most devs won't see for years. Smash that like button if you want more futuristic tutorials and grab the source code in the description. We're animating this with WebGL. See you then. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what tutorial you'd love to see next. I'd love to hear your thoughts.